morning. My name is Willie Hay. I'm a cast glass artist living outside of Santa Fe, New Mexico in a small community called El Dorado. Today I'm going to try to divest a piece that was really ready to be divested yesterday. And normally I jump on these things really quickly because I'm so anxious to see if it's turned out or not. But I was a little tied up yesterday having hopefully my last hand surgery on my left thumb. So let's see how far I get today. Okay, here we go. I'm a little concerned because it looks like I had more leakage on the bottom than I wanted, even though I had made some holes. I'm working in the area of the reservoir, so I'm not too concerned about effect of cracking glass. I wet it a little bit because it helps keep the plaster dust down, among other things. I know what the shape is, so I know which part is just plaster and not too important. Okay, I'm now doing the back side. So far the amber color doesn't look real dark or anything, as amber as I thought it would be, but it's really hard to know until it's completely out. I have to pour a little water over this to get this. This is not easy to do with one hand. I'm not used to doing this. Okay, you can start to see the amber color come through a little bit, and it's going to be a pretty color. As you can see, cast glass is very labor intensive. And at one point I sort of thought smaller pieces might not be so labor intensive, but I discovered they're just as labor intensive, just smaller. It just takes just as much time. And in fact, sometimes the larger pieces are easier to polish than the small ones. But overall, I think my casting is going to be okay. I've got a few pieces. I had put some sprues in. I wanted the glass to come all the way through from this end to this end. And it looks like I overdid it, perhaps just a little bit, because I have some extra glass flowing here, but it's not going to affect the casting in a negative way. I think it's all going to be good.
At this point, I'm always like, I just chew at it, you know what I mean? Try to get the line you wish for.